Already, so what you see here is the base of the Glidecam's docking station. As you see here, it's only a piece of wood, a 3/4 of an inch piece of wood. I only prime it and paint it black. The measurements are 24 by 18, I guess. So I mean, it doesn't matter what the size, as long as you feel comfortable. I did it like this because I thought it was uh, the right size, so the docking station was able to hold either the Canon T2i or the Canon XH1. Okay, so what you see in the middle is a black steel floor flange. I only put it in the center and mark the 4 holes that you see where the screws are, and I also use wing nuts to attach it. I use wing nuts because I guess wing nuts are better to work with than the regular nuts, especially if you're gonna break it apart. Okay, so let's move on. What you see is a 36 inch half-inch wide pipe threaded in both sides. Let's stop here on the middle, and what you see in the middle is a half-inch coupler. And the reason why I use a half-inch coupler is because, like me, I'm 5.6 tall. So if you are taller than me, you see the second little pipe. It was 6 inches, 6 inches long. I mean, if you are taller than me, either you can use an 8 inches or you can use a 12 inches or even more. Okay, but I just decide to I just decide to go with the 6 inches. And then what you see there, that's the T. The T, from the T we have the. Oh, sorry. From the T, we have an 8-inch pipe with attached to a 90 degrees elbow, and then from the 90 degrees elbow we have a pipe, 6 inches pipe, okay, which is where the Glidecams is put it. Okay. Okay, so as you see, the Glidecam is installed, put it in place, and it's holding it pretty good. The other thing that I decided to go with the 8 inches is because, as you notice, I'm able to move freely the Glidecam and basically check if it's level in all the positions. Okay, so let's move to the other side and I will show you. On the other side, what we have here is a 4-inch pipe attached to a 45 degrees elbow, and then we have a 6 inches pipe with a cap. I did these 2 things for 2 reasons. One, use it as a counterbalance, something like that, and 2, because you can hang something else. I mean, if you bought the best or you are building your own like me, you can always hang it there. Okay, so I hope this help you to build yours, and if you do, don't forget to post a video response if you do it better than me or you do it worse, either case already. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys out there. Remember, a docking station is a must. Believe me, you won't get tired, and you will find out a lot of things that you didn't know. Okay? So I hope this video is helpful for you. Have a great day.